What a good day for warm coffee. When I am working I like coffee. I have been getting sleep. Have you been getting sleep? Birds don't talk, 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 birds don't talk. I am getting sleep. I am getting sleep. I am. Why don't you believe me? I am getting sleep. Who are you? I need ink, I need ink, I need ink. Ha 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 ha. This coffee is so good. Mr. Bird, where did you go? Mr. Bird, please, I am drowning in the grass. The grass is made of carpet. As a reader we can infer that this is not grass. It is ink. Mr. Bird, please come back. Mr. Bird, please, I need your feathers for ink and quill.